Okay, today's lecture is a bit short, so it will be quick, I believe.
Okay.
Personal management, personal administration, personal data and address information, SPRO, reference IMG, personal management, administration, personal data, personal management, personal administration, personal data and address information. PA30 select employee first field in address info type, address type, number of fields, and number of fields, address types. No time constraints on address, time constraints, address is subtype, no time constraints, time constraints, and with gaps. So there can be three types of addresses, permanent, like permanent address, cannot be replicated. Okay. And if there are gaps, that means the person is moving from one location to another location for like projects like civil engineers, permanent residency, emergency address, current address. So we'll make one and ours is current address. Okay. We will change it and we'll make our own. Now this is time constraint, gaps, no gaps, or with gaps. That depends. Okay. And copy as. What is our company code, if you remember? Or we can actually go and check. Let's see. 10. Caltex. Okay. CX01. Caltex. Allowed namespace. Just press enter. Save. On request. Caltex. Enter. Next is no time constraints. We've already had the subtype has multiple info. Scattered information is put under time constraint T. Okay, so let's check this list, the time constraints. So we'll have a little more understanding. Record must have no gaps, may include gaps, can exist more than once, they can be overlapping. So addresses, in case of addresses, there can be some instances where overlappings can exist, like having two offices or converting your home office as your official office address also can be one of the reasons. Time constraint for time management info type T554Y. This is something that is customized for this info type T554. Okay, we can check that later on, but right now we'll just go ahead. Personal management, personal address, personal data, and address information, create address type. Address type. We've already made an address type, which is current address. Okay, and we can make multiple instances for various scenarios like address of spouse, authorization address, birthplace, beneficiary address, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's already made. It's already default, and I didn't take. Anyways, let's go ahead right now. Personal management, admin, personal data addresses, state, county, state. Counties is for Japan. Country, US. For US, we will have provinces, sorry, states. It's already done. So we don't need that. Counties. Now these are various countries. Let's say UK. US, Alaska. Now again, these are states. Okay, and codes are already given. Okay. Mhm. Time management info type 007 work schedules define public holiday classes need to make company calendar public holidays. Okay, time management. Time management. Now, time management is an info type 0007. Work schedules. Work schedules. Define public holiday classes. Public holiday classes. And we have present and current address, high noon calendar. Okay. Public holidays. Create. Display. Oh, no. We want to create change. Public holidays. Create. With fixed date, with a fixed date from day from day, distance to Easter, Easter Sunday, floating public holiday. Floating is like Eid. Fixed date is like New Year or 25th of December. Okay, with a fixed day from date. Now, this can be like Thanksgiving Day. Distance to Easter is like 2 days to Easter and then Easter Sunday. So distance to Easter is like 2 days. So this is how you can create your public holidays. So we'll create one public holiday day. For example, um, 4th of July. Okay. And fixed date is already fixed date Christmas, fixed date from date Thanksgiving, last Thursday of November, Labor Day, first Monday of September. Floating is holiday, Eid and Diwali, fixed date, day 4, month 7, AEE, AEE. Religious domination, no, it's not religious domination. So it's that's US Independence Day holiday class. We have four. What are the four options that we have? Let's have a look at it. Not a public holiday, ordinary public holiday, half-day holiday, customer-specific public holidays, and those classes exist from 3 to 9. So ordinary public holiday 1, okay, not a public working day. Not a public holiday, ordinary. And what does our configuration manual says? Not a public holiday, it's a working day, not a public holiday. So we'll create that. Start holiday name, CX, Caltex, US, Caltex, US. Caltex, US. Caltex, US, Independence Day. Okay. Independent. Okay. This is done. 4th, new public holiday, Thanksgiving Day. That is month 11, 21st of November, AEE, public holiday focus, not a public holiday working day. And short name, Thanksgiving. This is also easy. Distance to Easter is a number of days before Easter is 2. Celebrated by church, religion, charismatic church, public holiday class is 1. And create Easter Sunday. Create floating public holiday. Manual representation is maintained for fixed 15 years. Okay. And this was created. And holiday calendar display. Holiday change, create calendar ID, TP. Okay. Change, create, CX, Caltex, public, holiday, calendar, valid to 2000. Okay, assign holiday, and that was Caltex. Assign public holiday. Okay, so this is assign, and from 1900 to 2173. Okay, so we can assign more holidays also. Save, public calendar, CX was saved. Okay. Assign holiday, all that we created in previous steps. Assign public holidays, save, go back, select your TP public holiday calendar view, factory calendar. Okay. Next step is factory calendar, change. Number of working days plus number of public holidays, create. Okay. Create CX Caltex factory calendar 2030 holiday calendar ID CX start date. Okay. And save. Workdays, all are workdays, even public holidays are workdays at factories. Save. Public and workdays exist. Okay, public and workdays exist. We'll have to. Okay, Sunday is off. Factory calendar CS was saved. Okay, great. So this is made. Yeah. Control F, CX. This is Caltex factory calendar. Yeah, we can also have a look at it later on. Okay, we've done this. Number 6, time management work schedules. Work schedules, personal sub-area groupings, personal sub-area groupings. Personal sub-area is geographical location. Here we give parameters as per location. Click personal area. Okay, personal sub-area groupings. Here we give, click personal area, personal sub-areas for work schedule. New York, last column, personal sub-area for work schedules. Okay. Now this will be Caltex Dubai, Caltex factory, personal sub-area groupings. What was that? Now I cannot. Okay. Since we have assigned all 77 to our clients like Huawei, Philadelphia, High Noon, Caltex factory, Caltex office, personal sub-area groupings will be the same. 77. Let's keep it 77. Save. Save. Keep it snapshot. High Noon and save. Personal sub-areas. Group personal sub-areas for daily work schedule. Okay, we have 77 that's already made. Cannot be selected. Personal sub-area grouping. Daily work schedules, break schedules. We will discuss this in the next one. Manufacturing plant 6 to 2, 2 to 10, 10 to 6, 95. Now these are work schedules. 09901 corporate office. 9 to 5, 2 to 10, two work schedules. Both cannot be combined with common parameters. If work schedules are similar, only grouping could be same like 0102. Target daily work schedules P is grouping 77. DWS, that is daily work schedule grouping is 77. Personnel survey going for daily work schedules. Okay, daily work schedules, that's already made, and we've already seen that, and we have already assigned 77. Okay. Now, I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Um,